Another big story tonight, Mary Winkler will be allowed to tell her story on the Oprah Winfrey Show. Her former in-laws wanted the interview blocked, saying it would hurt her 3 children. A jury found Winkler guilty of voluntary manslaughter. She shot her husband, preacher Matthew Winkler, in the back with a shotgun as he slept in their Selmer home. She served 12 days in jail and 2 months in a mental institution before being released. Now Winkler is locked in a custody battle with her in-laws over her 3 daughters. Not only, though, can Mary Winkler appear on Oprah, her attorney can now comment on the case.
The judge declined to put a gag order on the case. So what are people saying about all this? News Channel 3's Dennis Turner live now in the DeSoto County newsroom with a look at this controversial case. Hey, Dennis.
Good evening. As in most family law cases, this one centered on what was best for the children. One side is accused of trying to influence them, while the other side says the damage there has already been done. At the end of today's hearing, a Carroll County chancellor gave the green light, though, for Mary Winkler to make her talk on national TV. Mary Winkler's attorneys say her interview with Oprah Winfrey isn't about her guilt or innocence, but about domestic violence. ALYSSA BAIRD, also a Church of Christ preacher's wife, has her doubts.
I really don't think that going on national television on Oprah, I really don't think that's what she's trying to do here.
What do you think she's after?
Forgiveness, maybe. For people to understand why she did what she did.
She's not the only one with questions about Winkler's motives.
Well, obviously, I think her legal team and her advisors thinks it helps because she's a sympathetic figure. I'm not so sure.
Family law attorney Miles Mason says Matthew Winkler's parents tried to block the Oprah appearance because it involves the Winkler children, who might not be well served by having their lives talked about on national television.
That's a choice that they cannot make as children. It's a choice that her mother is making for them.
Mason says instead of Winkler playing to an audience of millions, perhaps she should play to an audience of 1. He says Winkler should concentrate on what she wants the judge in her child custody case to know.
That her #1 focus in her life is her children. I'm not sure how national media attention falls into proving that that's her #1 priority.
But it may help rehabilitate her image in the court of public opinion.
I really just think this is her trying to say, I'm good, deep down I'm good. What I did wasn't necessarily wrong,
But even Winkler is said to regret what happened. Mason says, though, based on the outcome of the Anna Mae He case, Winkler may well get her children back, eventually. But it's possible her case might take years and go all the way to the Tennessee Supreme Court before that happens. We're live in the DeSoto County newsroom. Dennis Turner, News Channel 3.
All right, Dennis, thank you. Following Winkler's appearance on Oprah tomorrow, we'll have live coverage with reaction to the show from Winkler's home right here on News Channel 3.